We learned the fundamentals of the business so I could transfer it into anything. That's why I requested to be on the renewables. I joined in December. It was quite emotional really because it was a weight off my shoulder. Even though it's a big commitment financially, I thought maybe I'm going to get some help. Because in business you're on your own, it's lonely. I thought be a good, great network, and that was it. That's all it took for me. Completely changed my mindset, everything. And then from that day, completely turned the business round, thought, right, I'm going for it again. Did all my targets, knew what I wanted to achieve, knew what profits I wanted, what sales I needed, how many leads I needed. I just worked it out, and that was it. I wanted to do £1 million in sales for the year. And I thought, if I can achieve that this year, don't lose any money, because I've been losing money. I thought, let's go for that. I've hit my £1 million target in the first 2 months of the year. I was losing more money than I was making. I just didn't know where it was going wrong. But now I'm clear. Everybody needs some help in business, because not many of us are actually been taught how to run a business. Most of the guys are trapped on the tools. The discovery day was good. My mindset shift has been the biggest factor, but I would not have done it without the whole program that I'm involved in. So the fact that I committed financially would have had a big impact, because I've got to justify in my office and to my staff, we've got to justify what I'm doing. I need to make it count. I don't want to waste time. It's had a massive, the structure to it. Today we're doing the business planning, and it's the numbers. You know, what do I need to do? How many sales do I need? What my profit margin's going to be? Selling's become a big thing now, which is the most important part of the business. I've got a couple of salespeople. Now, my projects are quite complex, so my knowledge of the cost of these jobs is better than them. I can look after my profit margins when I'm quoting better. I'd recommend Trade Mastermind. The peer group, the network, the connections. You will like-minded people. You've got the group, the support, and the structure, and it will focus the mind if you want it. You can join anything and do nothing, or you can take advantage of it. So I would recommend it. It's been really positive for me. For me personally, I'm excited about solar. Anybody else, that's their decision. But for me personally, it's a direction I want to go.